just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I finished one of the Ottomans, and this is what I came up with for this. And I did a lot of shopping of my stash. Did not go out and buy a whole bunch of new things for the Ottoman, but I did put in the women's polo set that I got at Big Lots, and I included the watch sets that I got at Temu, and also the foot spa with the vibrating tub that came from Big Lots as well. I included the foot scrub from Dollar Tree as well as Boticology from Bargain Hunt, the scrub and the body wash. I have an exfoliating glove in there, pair of socks, and a loofah. I put the premium box of chocolates on the back here and the big red blanket. On the top, I put 3 roses as well as the rose soap. And, of course, our Light Up Bear is also in there. So I think this turned out really pretty. Please tell me what you think down in the comments. And how would you price this basket? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.